The Belkin difference, pioneer in technology and innovation for over 30 years. Play music from your iPhone without an adapter. The single cable solution supports iPhone 11, 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max, XS, XS, Max, XR, X, 8/8 Plus, 7/7 Plus. Connects to car stereos and home/portable speaker systems. Convenient 3'/0.9mm and 6'/1.8mm lengths available. Compatible devices, smartphone. Connector type, USB Type-C. Enjoy your music library and favorite playlists anywhere with a single cable solution that connects iPhones to car stereos, home speaker systems or portable speakers. Available in multiple lengths for convenience. Preserving functionality for a seamless experience. Top reviews from the United States. This Belkin 3.5 iPhone XR plug-in works great. Much better than the Black Spring type. After 5 months, it is still working well. The short length is fine. Sound is great in my 2007 Honda CRV. Would buy again if I needed another. From time to time, I need to unplug and replug back in, but that is probably the iPhone sort of locking up. Don't think the Belkin cable is the issue.